So welcome to my little painting booth of shame where me and Terry the Terminator, I don't know what to call him. Should we call him Terry? We need a name for this guy. I'm basically building a life-size Terminator because why not? This is how it's going so far. The head's looking pretty good. I can still see a layer line, some layer lines on there, but I'm just going to leave it as is and just continue because, as I say, perfection is the enemy of done, and this has already taken several months worth of work to get a lot of the body up to this point, which I will show you now. You will have to excuse my garage floor though, because there's a lot of stuff. So these are a lot of the parts for the Terminator. Some other stuff down there as well. There's a half Mandalorian helmet over there. But a lot of this stuff is just primed at this point, and I've been trying to fill in some of the bigger, more egregious layer lines as I've been going through. And part of the problem we've been having is trying to find the right paint. So I've been going through sanding, putting on various different chrome paints, try and get a good finish, try and get a good reflective finish. The one you saw on the skull at the beginning, that is the that is Revel chrome paint. That is crazy expensive for what you get. You get a little can for about 20 quid. So it's going to be expensive, but I may end up having to use that because it's the only one that gives a good shine. And the problems I've been having is this is a leg piece. You can see, hang on, let me bring it back a bit. So this is a leg piece we have right here. And a bit I've had to sand back. So the yellow is a filler primer, which you can see down there. And it started cracking because of the different paints underneath it. So I've had to sand it all the way back, basically back to raw plastic almost, which is grey, not black, by the way. The black is still paint. I'm going to try and refill this, try and get rid of those cracks. So just to give an example of the peeling I'm talking about, I painted one of these pieces a minute ago, and already it has started peeling. So yeah, I need to sand that back again and try and fix that. And then after that, it's on to putting the model together, and I'm actually decided I'm going to paint it while it's built rather than painting each component part, which I may regret later, but it's a decision I made, so I'm going to do it. All right, if you want to see more of this build, and I will try and do a proper tripod video rather than me holding my phone in the garage. I'm lying, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to hold the phone in the garage every time. But if you want to see more of this, then, you know, hit subscribe, leave me a comment, tell me what you think of the mess in my garage so far. All right, talk to you soon, bye-bye.